we tried a couple of times, and I guess the network or Zoom wasn't really good enough with us. So,
Yeah, it was not zooming in, so yeah.
so first of all, welcome to Bollywood Bubble through Homes. How are you doing?
Very well, very well. How are you?
All well, and I've been hearing a lot about Soulmate, and I mean, I just yesterday spoke to Ada, and she was so happy to do this, and she couldn't just stop talking of it. I want to ask you, how did you find this concept? How did you find working with Ada?
Okay, so the concept actually came into being when I actually heard a couple of stories from my business partner Anushri. She was meeting a lot of guys that time for marriage through different matrimonial websites, and every now and then she used to call me and she's like, "I met a jerk, I met that jerk, I met those jerks." like, ये तो सारे लड़के jerks ही निकल रहे हैं यार, क्या हो रहा है? So I asked her कि ऐसा क्यों, मतलब didn't you find like really one good person that who's really interested in a relationship? And she was like कि no यार, everybody is interested in looking at me and they just look here and there, ऊपर नीचे देखते हैं, कोई किसी को सबको मेरी body में interest है, nobody really is interested in who I am, nobody is really interested in my soul. And that line really struck me, that okay, so there's a girl who's looking for a soulmate and nobody can actually see her soul. So that's when the idea came to being, and I wanted to actually work with Ada for a very long time, ever since I had actually read an interview of hers, and also I saw Commando 2, and I thought that तो 1920 में horror film में उसके बाद ये comedy तो बड़ा सही range है. So then I wanted to work with her that time, and that's when, and actually, yeah.
Like your friend spoke about every man turning out to be a jerk. She's totally relatable. I'm sure every single chick right now can relate to this, because all of us are like the same right now. But it's so cool that you picked up a hook line and you made a film out of it. I mean, how creative can one get?
Actually, I think that's when the stories are born, right? Like you want them to resonate with people. That's why we tell these stories, and we kind of do some happy endings with these stories, so that at least कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि चलो यार real life में हो ना हो, लेकिन फिल्मों में जरूर होना चाहिए. Aspirational value तो होना ही चाहिए.
But when was this shot? When did you all shoot this entire film?
Actually, it was shot quite a while ago. It was shot almost like 1.5 years ago, I guess. Yeah.
Oh my god.
So yeah. So initially, when we shot this film, actually it got shot in a very quick span of time. Like the day I finished writing the script, and I actually wrote the script in a day. So then I called my partner and I told her that ऐसा script है जो तुम्हारी idea से मैंने कर लिया है, तो पढ़ लो. So she quite liked it and she's like, who are you thinking? I'm like, I just think that Ada को approach करना चाहिए. And the very next day, actually, I texted her. She responded to me within minutes, not even an hour. And she told me that this is very cool and I would like to read it. She read it again in no time. And the next day we met and the film was happening. So it happened that quickly. And but when बनने के बाद बाहर आने में बहुत time लगी. So yeah.
So talking of OTT platforms taking a high, talking of nepotism, talking of favoritism, we're going to keep all of that aside and talk of something else today.
Sorry, I missed you in between. I think my network just
should I say that again?
Yes, please.
So I was saying, talking of OTT platforms reaching a really good height, talking of nepotism, talking of favoritism, I'm going to keep everything aside and talk of something else today. So,
okay.
So we're going to do this quick segment called What If, okay? And I'm going to ask you certain questions. Let's see how you reply to them, okay? So tell me, what if you're given a bag full of $5 million randomly? What would you do with it?
Yeah, so I was telling you, I will actually make a lot of movies and travel the world.
Wow, travel the world. For now, I can't even think of traveling, thinking of Corona.
हाँ, but वही aspirational value होना चाहिए ना life में, चाहे picture हो चाहे जिंदगी हो.
Okay, so tell me, if you get a chance to go back in the past and direct a particular film, which one would that be?
इट्स क्वाइट ट्रिकी यार। पास्ट में सारी जो पिक्चरें याद आ रही, बड़ी अच्छी पिक्चर है, मैं क्यों डायरेक्ट करूंगा? कितनी अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में बनाई है लोगों ने। बट एक फिल्म थी जो मुझे लगता है कि बड़ी अच्छी थी, और अगर मुझे डायरेक्ट करने मिलता तो मैं शायद जरूर अच्छे से करता उसको। दैट इज दिस अमिताभ बच्चन फिल्म कॉल्ड मजबूर,
मजबूर
which
काफी
released
पुरानी है।
somewhere in the 70s. Yes, yes. Somehow I really felt that the concept and the story was so cool, and it just was too long. I just wanted to I I think अगर मैं बनाता तो शायद uh, 2 घंटे की कॉम्पैक्ट फिल्म होती वो।
Right, right. Your PR just dialed my number. I'm gonna be like, why between us?
Okay,
She must be wanting to check कि आज तो हो गया ना connect कम से
आज तो
कम.
हो गया ना। हाँ,
Okay, next one. If you wake up one day and you realize that you've woken up as an opposite sex, you're a female suddenly, how would you react and what would you do?
oh, actually, this actually reminds me of something else altogether. I've made a film actually that's called Man to Man, which is
That's
about
with Ada again, right? That's with Ada again.
yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
So it's tricky यार, like मतलब ये इस तरीके से I would wake up as a female. I don't know, probably I'll get to live what the females get to live, and I'll kind of probably try and relate more with them. अभी तक तो मैं सिर्फ सुनता हूँ कि उनके साथ क्या बीतती है, उनको क्या फील होता है पूरे दिन में। शायद मुझे एग्जैक्ट पता चलेगा
Right,
कि
right.
what it is to be with them.
And before I proceed to the other question, like you just spoke of Man to Man, tell me when are we getting to see it? How long is it gonna take? Give me some, spill some beans.
आई डोंट थिंक ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा, वो जल्दी बाहर आ जाएगी। आई थिंक ये साल खत्म होने से पहले probably you'll get to see
Okay.
Man to Man.
Okay, because
So
I remember talking
maybe
about it last year to Ada. She was so excited about this, and she told me about this last year. That she's
right.
pretty happy to do this, and she didn't tell me much. So I'm waiting to watch.
Actually वो इस साल ही हमारा प्लान था रिलीज, बट देन व्हाट हैपेंड वाज द पैंडेमिक स्ट्रक एंड एवरीथिंग गॉट पुश्ड। बट आई थिंक things are opening up again. People are wanting to see content, so things will come out. And before this year ends, 100% Man to Man is going to come out.
And also taking a look at the audiences now that they're now opened up to more new faces. They want to see fresh faces, and now that
Right.
people are changing, I'm happy that now other content is going to work. Now films like these that deserve to be working are going to work. So that's a good thing. Okay, now coming back to another fun question. If you had the power to change one thing in the world, what would that be and why?
Oh, I would right now want to change the whole corona thing, and शायद ऐसा होता ही नहीं तो कितना अच्छा होता। So that is right now what is coming to my mind is yes, मैं कोविड सिचुएशन को जरूर बदल देता।
When we talk of corona, starting, I remember everyone would just talk about coronavirus. Everybody would start giving tips on how to wear a mask, how to wash their hands, and it all
Right.
was so crazy. But now with time going by, everybody's back to work and nobody's giving a damn. How do you see this whole process changing and people adapting to this kind of lifestyle?
सो बेसिकली मुझे थोड़ा डर तो लग ही रहा है, क्योंकि जो चीजें केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं। प्रोबेबली वी आर इन अ सर्टेन एज वेयर इन आवर इम्यूनिटी इज वेरी स्ट्रांग, बट देयर आर पीपल हु आर जो ओल्ड है, जिनकी इम्यूनिटी इतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं है, जो बीमार रहते हैं, उनके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट होने वाली है जिंदगी। क्योंकि एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो ये वायरस बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग है नहीं, जिनकी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग है उनके लिए बड़ा वीक वायरस है। आपको होगा, आप शेटिंग। Then at the same time it's going to be really difficult for a lot of people, and I think for people who are also living with older people, for them also it's going to be very difficult. Like I live with my old parents, and I get so scared when I have to step out, and then I have to go to work, and probably have to go to shoot and all, and then it's very scary that again I have to come back home, and probably I might recover in a couple of days, but they might not. So that's the situation, and I think
Even
रहने वाला है. We have to live with it for a long time.
even considering the fact that the economy falling down, a lot of people are having pay cuts, and a lot of people are having no pay at all. Also, there are situations like that. Has it also affected you guys in a way when it comes to financial uh, whatever?
It has definitely affected. It has 100% affected, because Not in terms of like people who are salaried, उनके लिए तो pay cuts हो गए, काफी लोगों ने jobs lose कर दिए हैं. But probably we are in a situation wherein we are all freelancers and we have our own companies, we do businesses. So that really gets affected on a larger scale that we don't know. Like right now, पहले हमारा बड़ा clear होता था that we're making a film and it's going to release in the theaters and there's a revenue from theaters also, from digital also, from satellite also. But now we don't know. It's very uncertain. So the costs have come down. Agar initially when the films that we would make in 10 crores, we would probably have to now make it in 5 crores because the revenue will be less. So now to cut that down, to cut the costs down, the number of people will again have to be cut down. The fees have to be cut down. The rates have to be cut down. So everybody is suffering that loss, and I just hope we come back to where we were and we progress from there.
I know. Some people say we've got like 5 years behind, and I'm like, okay, really? Our skins don't look like that, though. So, okay, another one. If there was only one kind of food that you had to eat for the rest of your life, which one would you pick?
A typical Bengali dal bhat, and we have this aloo sheddo, and I can live on that for my entire life.
Yeah, you can survive on that. Have you learned how to cook
Absolutely.
that in the lockdown, or did you know how to do it before?
I am actually a very decent cook. So yeah.
Really. So,
Yeah.
so it's not the lockdown that taught you. You knew before
No,
time
no,
as
no.
well.
The lockdown actually taught me a lot of new kind of stories. Not just cooking was something that I always knew.
That's lovely. That's lovely. Okay, so just apart from all these random questions that I'm asking, I'll also want to ask you that when it comes to this film fraternity, or when it comes to directing, when it comes to acting, or any aspect of this entire industry, I believe that this is the toughest because people have to leave everything behind and just snap out and be at the set and do what they're doing at that moment. Be it stress, be it depression, be it rage, सब कुछ side में रख के snap out करना पड़ता है. Whereas we
Correct.
regular people can't do that. If we are sad, we're going to stay sad and look sad, and it's going to be like bad. So what are the mental practices that you guys take to snap out from one thing to the other, because it's like a big thing, it's a big deal.
Yeah, so I don't know about what others do, but I can surely tell you what I do generally. क्योंकि कई बार होता है that you're making one film and there are your personal life is very different from the kind of film that you're making, and you have to completely go into a different zone, think something else, and be someone else, and then do it. When it really stresses me out, I kind of start working immediately on something else. Like if a love story is really stressing me out, and I'm not being able to crack a story or like put together that film and or not getting a producer or not getting an actor, I will immediately start writing another film which is of a different genre and again start working on it. And like that's how I think. I think it's different people. Like my sanity is stories. My sanity is storytelling. So I have to keep doing that. If one story is not being heard, I'll have to tell another story immediately, and I'll feel better.
A lot of people find solace in working, and I think working is the best thing that everyone should do once they're stressed out, I guess. But what to do when the work gives stress? What to do when the work gives stress?
You start working on something else because that's what is making you happy. But probably, I think for me at least, it is writing and directing is never work. It's something that completely it's like breathing for me. I have to do it to live. Yeah.
So people also say that this is my plan A and this is my plan B. So they always have a substitute career to whatever they do. So do you have one? And if you do, what is it?
I don't have a substitute career, but I would definitely would want to one day quit everything and only write novels and books.
Also, I have this misconception, I can call it a misconception unless you correct me, that writers always need to be in their own space, be it around nature and this and that. Is that true? Is that needed?
Yeah, I too write out of coffee shops. I'm a coffee shop writer. I need people moving around me.
Oh, okay. That's lovely. Do you find stories looking at people around you also?
I do. I actually found my first film story, my Bengali film that I made. I was actually waiting outside a theater for a friend to come and watch a movie with me. And there was a couple right in front of me, and they were constantly, fighting with each other. And I overheard their conversation, and that was the story of my Bengali film, the first film that I made.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's lovely.
So you do get stories around you.
So for now, I know that Soulmate is already out and Man to Man is coming up. Is there anything that you've put your hands on for now?
Hindu Ki Jawani is a film that I directed. I wrote and directed, which has Kiara Advani in the lead. So that's also going to come out sometime very soon. We're putting out a few cool things. There's a song coming out tomorrow. So
Wow.
let's see.
So since the song is coming out tomorrow, and since there'll be a lot of releases and then of songs and trailers, so we'll get to interview you again for sure, right?
Of course, 100%.
So yes, so then I will do post-mortem of Hindu Ki Jawani in the other interview then, because for now I want to know more of you. Tell me, how has this entire, I could say more than 6 months, change you? Did it change you as a person? Have you changed some kind of thinking, that a thought process that you had before the pandemic?
Yes. Actually, I was because I made my first Hindi film just before the pandemic, and when you make your first like Bollywood debut kind of a thing, पता नहीं लोग ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं, फिल्में होती है, पहले भी मैंने पिक्चर बनाई है, मेरी शॉर्ट फिल्म में मेरे लिए फिल्म ही उतनी इंपॉर्टेंट थी, बट हाँ मतलब एक वो प्रेशर होता है दैट बॉलीवुड फिल्म बना रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, वो बनाओ जो मार्केट को चाहिए, वो बनाओ जो people are lapping it up and all of that. So I was kind of drowning in that, I would say. I was thinking, let's not make this story, let's not make that story. It's not going to work. That's not going to work. But probably these 5-6 months when I had time with myself, I realized that no, I'm a storyteller. I want to tell stories that really interest me. मुझे कहानियां बोलनी. So that's what my plan is. I want to write stories and tell stories that I believe in.
Any content in the recent times that has impressed you way too much that you watched?
Yes, Panchayat as a web series, what I watched on Amazon Prime.
Yeah.
Superb. I think it took me back to the old Doordarshan days.
Yeah.
90s में shows बनते थे, बहुत प्यारी प्यारी चीजें होती थी. So yeah, that's something that I really liked. I actually watched it twice.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
And apart from that, just Panchayat or anything else that you also like, you'd like to share it with us so we would also watch. And this is Khushi saying hi to you.
Hi, Khushi.
Yeah. So anything apart?
Nothing else actually यार, मैं इतना ज़्यादा मैंने content देखा नहीं, मैंने content लिखा ज़्यादा है.
लिखा बहुत है, right?
हाँ.
Right.
So, and I'm not that avid viewer, like मैं इतना देखता नहीं हूँ content, but हाँ मतलब लिखता बहुत हूँ.
So we will do the watching bit, you do the writing bit, and we'll keep waiting for you to bring us good stuff, and we must watch it every now and then. Also, lastly, without taking a lot of your time, what would you want to say to all the viewers and also the people who really loved Soulmate by far and are waiting for your other films to come on board too? What do you want to say?
So I think Soul Sathi is a film for everyone, for anyone who has a heart and who believes in soulmates, who believes in falling in love. So and that's अगर आपने पिक्चर देखी है तो आपको शायद ये फील हुआ होगा, और अगर आपने नहीं देखी है तो आपको ये जरूर फील होगा. So that's for Soul Sathi, and I think मुझे ऐसी कहानियां और बोलनी है. 17 मिनट्स में नहीं समा पा रहा हूँ मैं, तो कई घंटों तक ये कहानियां बोलनी है, चाहे वेब शोज हो चाहे मूवीज हो. तो कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग और लव स्टोरीज मुझे बनानी है, और आप मैं बनाऊंगा तो पीपल शुड टेक आउट टाइम एंड वॉच इट इफ दे कैन.
Wow, lovely. And I'm going to just say thank you for giving us such a cool interview. It was lovely speaking to you and hoping to interview you once again.
Lovely talking to you. I would really look forward to hear from you.
Yay, super. So we'll see you soon any which ways, because there's Man to Man coming, there's Hindu Ki Jawani coming. So yeah.
Yes.
So till then, all the best and see you and stay safe.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.